Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 10. Introduction. Speed Reading. Unlocking Your Potential. Applying speed reading skills in the workplace. Speed reading for academic success. Strategies for reading more books in less time. Leveraging speed reading for information gathering and research. Harnessing speed reading for personal development and growth. Speed reading. Unlocking your potential. Welcome to the world of speed reading. With this skill, you can unlock your potential and achieve greater productivity and personal growth. By learning to read faster and more efficiently, you can absorb more information in less time, allowing you to be more productive and achieve your goals faster. But speed reading is not just about getting through content quickly. It's also about improving comprehension and retaining information better. When you learn to read faster, you train your brain to process information more effectively, which can lead to increased creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Applying speed reading skills in the workplace. Speed reading can be a valuable asset in the workplace, allowing you to quickly and efficiently process large amounts of information. One practical tip is to use the skimming technique, where you quickly scan through a text to identify key points and ideas. This can save time and allow you to focus on the most important information. Another strategy is to practice active reading, where you engage with the text by asking questions, making connections, and summarizing key points. This can help you retain more information and improve your overall comprehension. By applying these techniques, you can improve your efficiency and effectiveness at work. Speed reading for academic success. Academic success is often dependent on the ability to read and comprehend large volumes of information. Speed reading can be a valuable tool for students looking to improve their academic performance by increasing their reading speed and comprehension. By learning to read more quickly and effectively, students can save time and retain more information. There are several techniques that students can use to improve their speed reading skills. One effective technique is called skimming, which involves quickly scanning a text for keywords and phrases. Another technique is called chunking, which involves breaking down a text into smaller sections and focusing on one section at a time. Additionally, students can practice active reading by taking notes and highlighting important information as they read. Strategies for reading more books in less time. To read more books in less time, it's important to first choose books that align with your interests and goals. This will help you stay engaged and motivated throughout the reading process. Additionally, setting specific reading goals can help you prioritize your reading time and stay on track. Eliminating distractions is also key to reading more efficiently. Find a quiet space where you can focus without interruptions. Turn off your phone or other devices, and consider using noise-cancelling headphones if necessary. Leveraging speed reading for information gathering and research. Speed reading is not just about reading quickly. It's also about retaining the information you read. When it comes to research and information gathering, speed reading can be a valuable tool in helping you find key information quickly and efficiently. By using techniques such as scanning and skimming, you can quickly identify the most important parts of a document and then focus your attention on those areas. Another important aspect of speed reading for research is note-taking. By taking effective notes, you can quickly summarize important information and keep track of your findings. This can be especially useful when conducting research for a project or paper. By using speed reading and effective note-taking techniques, you can save time and increase your productivity when it comes to research and information gathering. Harnessing speed reading for personal development and growth. Reading is not just a means to gain knowledge, but it can also be a powerful tool for personal development and growth. By reading books on different topics and from different perspectives, we can broaden our horizons and gain new insights into the world around us. Through the power of speed reading, We can read more books in less time and expose ourselves to a wider range of ideas and experiences. This can inspire personal growth and help us become more empathetic, open-minded, and well-rounded individuals. Conclusion. In conclusion, speed reading is a valuable skill that can significantly enhance productivity and personal growth. By learning to read faster while maintaining comprehension, individuals can absorb information more efficiently, saving time and expanding their knowledge base. Here are some key takeaways. 1. Improved productivity. Speed reading allows you to cover more material in less time, whether you're a student, a professional, or an avid reader. Being able to read faster can help you stay on top of your workload, complete tasks more quickly, and free up time for other activities. 2. Expanded knowledge. The ability to read faster enables you to consume a wider range of books, articles, and other written materials. This exposure to different perspectives, ideas, and information can broaden your understanding of the world and fuel personal growth. 3. Enhanced comprehension. Speed reading is not just about reading quickly, it also involves maintaining comprehension. Through practice, you can train your brain to process information more efficiently without sacrificing understanding. This skill is particularly valuable when dealing with large volumes of text. 4. Critical thinking skills. Speed reading encourages active engagement with the text, requiring you to analyze and synthesize information rapidly. This process can enhance your critical thinking abilities as you learn to identify key points, make connections, and extract relevant details efficiently. 5. Better retention. Contrary to the misconception that speed reading leads to poor retention, effective speed reading techniques can actually improve memory and recall. By employing strategies such as visualization, summarization, and active note-taking, you can enhance your ability to remember and apply what you've read. 6. Lifelong learning. Speed reading is a skill that can be applied throughout your life as new technologies and information emerge. The ability to quickly adapt and learn will become increasingly important. Speed reading equips you with the tools to keep up with the ever-evolving knowledge landscape. To develop your speed reading skills, it is essential to practice regularly. Start with small increments of focused reading and gradually increase your reading speed while maintaining comprehension. Various online resources, courses, and apps are available to assist you in your speed reading journey. Remember, speed reading is a tool to aid productivity and personal growth, but it should not replace deep reading or thoughtful analysis when required. It is crucial to strike a balance between speed and depth, depending on the material and your goals. By incorporating speed reading into your daily life, you can unlock a world of knowledge, enhance your productivity, and continually expand your horizons.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.